Hey plant friends, and welcome back to my channel, Planta by Chia, the nutrition kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most beautiful, delicious, nutritious, refreshing acai bowl. And I'm also going to show you how to properly read the ingredients label on the back of foods so that when you go shopping, you know exactly what's in your food and you can make the best, healthiest decisions for your beautiful body. Before I get into the recipe, go ahead and smash that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly plant-based recipes and nutrition tips. Acai bowls are originated from Brazil because the actual acai berry, which is the base of the bowl, comes from the jungle in the Amazon of Brazil. Now, an acai bowl is kind of like a smoothie bowl in a way, but the base of it is the acai berry. Acai berries are rich in antioxidants, which are great for your blood, for your heart health. Acai berries are also amazing for brain function, and they're heard to help with energy levels. Acai berries have a very short half-life, so to find them in stores around America or any other country, how you're gonna find them is usually in a powder, which you can turn into a juice. You can also find acai berries in a pre-pressed juice form, so it'll all be ready to drink. But the most popular way is to get them in an ice pack form with the acai berry frozen. So to make the base of the acai bowl, what we're going to be needing is 1 packet of the acai. Looks just like this. Then what I do is I use about a cup of frozen berries, all different mixed berries, and anywhere from a half to 1 banana, however I'm feeling that day. And to mix it, there's all different options that you could use. You could use coconut water, which I love to use because it's full of electrolytes and it's very refreshing. But you could also use regular water, you could use apple juice, or you could use almond milk. And in Brazil, they actually use this extract from guaraná, which is a guaraná berry. It's delicious, but it's very hard to find in America. So today, we're going to be making it with coconut water. And we're just going to put it in the blender, blend it up. Now you only want about a half of a cup to a cup. You have to be careful when you put in the liquid because you want the acai to be very thick, so we don't want like a drippy bowl. So just a little bit of water, and you're gonna have to blend it a little bit extra so that it's nice and thick. You'll see when I make it. The toppings are the best part. So what I usually top it with is chia seeds. I use chia seeds for calcium and extra protein. They are a superfood and they are super nutritious. I also use hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are great for omega-6 fatty acids. They're also filled with a lot of plant-based protein. And I love putting some maca powder. So maca powder is actually from an ancient root in Peru, and it has so many different functions how it can heal the body. It's very good for balancing out hormones. It's also very good for men's libido. It's great for brain health, and the list goes on, honestly. I then like to top it with some chopped strawberries and bananas. And I actually call this the PB acai because peanut butter on top of acai is so good. The flavor is to die for. So I brought out 2. I have peanut butter and almond butter. And I also wanted to talk to you about the labeling of these. So in these 2 butters, the peanut butter, the only ingredient in here is peanuts. And that honestly should be the only ingredient when you're buying nut butters. You don't want extra salts, you don't want extra oils. There's so much put into them that you literally don't need because nuts have enough oil themselves. Just like this almond butter that I have, the only ingredient in here is almonds. When I went to the food store the other day, I wanted to take some videos to show you guys of the other ingredients. So I'm gonna play that clip right now. Okay guys, so I am now at the food store and I wanted to go through a couple different brands to show you. So the Skippy, so we'll get the Skippy, let's try the 25% reduced fat. So here are the ingredients. So the first ingredient is roasted peanuts. The next ingredient is corn syrup solids. I don't even know what that is. The next is sugar. And then we have pea protein, salt, hydrogenated vegetable oils as well, minerals. So they said they have magnesium oxide, zinc oxide, and mono and diglycerides as well. So there's a lot more ingredients in here than just regular peanuts. Let's pick up one that says natural on it. So we'll grab a Skippy natural. So you read natural and you think that it's natural. So here, so the first ingredient is roasted peanuts. Then we have sugar. So sugar is the second most used ingredient in here. Palm oil, and then salt. So there's a lot more in here than just peanuts. So as you can see, there's so many different additives into these peanut butters that you literally do not need, because you don't need that extra salt, you don't need those extra oils, and they're great on their own. So when you're looking for peanut butter, try to get the more natural kind with just that one ingredient. The next thing that I love to top my acai bowl is with some granola. So this granola I got from Trader Joe's. I don't know if you have one near you. But this is a great granola because the only ingredients in here are oats, coconut flakes, roasted almonds, and a little bit of maple syrup. So to read the ingredients label, how I wanted to show you is when you flip it on the back, you'll see the big title ingredients. Now, ingredients go from the most that's in the product to the least. So the first ingredient that's there is the one that you're gonna find most of in that product. And as you go down, like I said, it decreases. But I just wanted you to also watch out for different disguises of different names. So you might see sugar in here, but 2 ingredients later you might see honey, 2 ingredients later you might see corn syrup. So you just want to watch those because those are all different labels for sugar. You should have as much natural flavors in here as possible. You don't want any artificial coloring, any artificial flavors, all natural. Okay, so let's throw these into the blender, blend it up, and top it to make this beautiful acai bowl. Okay, so when you first take the acai packet out of it, it's going to be really hard. So the best way to soften it up, I do, is put the water on warm, and then you're just gonna rinse the packet for about not even 10 seconds. And you'll feel that it'll start to break up and get a little soft, so you can open it up and put it into the blender easily. Now, sometimes when you're blending it up, you can see how a lot of it got stuck at the top. So you want to stop it midway, open it up, and just use a fork or spatula and push it down. Also, if you need to add more liquid to it, if it's not blending right, now is the time. The time is now. So, can I talk? So good, refreshing, healthy. Acai bowls are great for your skin, like I was saying, great for your heart. The nut butters on top of the acai bowl is amazing. I put some peanut butter on it. It's so delicious. Also very versatile, like I was saying. So you can use any type of berries. You can top it with any type of different fruits. You could do it with some pineapple. You could do it with papaya. You could add some cream of coconut. You could add dark chocolate. And you could use this as a post-workout, some fuel for before your workout. You could use it for after your workout. You could also have this for breakfast, as a snack, even as a dessert. It's such an amazing treat. It's much better than ice cream. And it's delicious. I will also link down below where you can find all these amazing superfoods to top your acai bowl with, and also the blender that I use because it's one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. You can find me on Instagram at Planta by Chia. And you can find me on my website at www.plantabygia.com, where I offer nutrition coaching services, customized fitness plans, online virtual training. I hope you're staying safe, healthy, and beautiful. And I will see you for the next recipe.